Hey everyone, good morning. This is me, Avishka, your tech host, and the bulletin today starts with AI leaders outpace peers in business growth, finds IBM report. IIT Bombay and Sinclair collaborate on advanced wireless broadcast technology. The Netherlands surpasses UAE in India's smartphone export. Inox India secures major LNG terminal project in the Bahamas. Cybersecurity report highlights surge in businesses' email compromise attacks. ICO 12 receives a major discount ahead of ICO 13 launch. Prativa Mahapotra discusses technology's role in women empowerment at Business Today event. In the previous quiz, we asked you which AI assistant is integrated into Microsoft Office app. The answer is Copilot. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Who is the founder of Samsung? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. IBM's AI in Action report reveals that 15% of businesses classified as AI leaders have significantly outpaced their peers in leveraging AI for business growth. These companies saw a 25% or greater improvement in revenue growth through AI. Key factors behind their success includes aggressive investment in AI, robust data management strategies, and a strong alignment between C-suite executive and IT leadership. AI leaders were also more likely to customize their AI efforts to drive optimal value, focusing on areas like consumer experience, IT automation, and cybersecurity. The report highlights the increasing importance of AI for businesses and provides valuable insights into how companies can harness AI to achieve competitive advantage and enhance overall performance. Now we have IIT Bombay and Sinclair, which has signed an MOU to advance wireless broadcast technology using the ATSC 3.0 standard. The collaboration will focus on enhancing broadcast to everything use cases, benefiting mobile, television, and fixed application. The B2X standard aims to optimize traffic management, reduce network congestion, and support seamless integration with 5G networks. It also promises to benefit for sectors such as emergency management, remote education, and agriculture. The initiative will leverage India's vast mobile subscriber base and growing TV households to ensure efficient spectrum utilization with a low latency data casting. With a long-term vision for 6G integration, this partnership could transform broadcast services globally, especially for emerging markets like India. Now we have the Netherlands, which has become the second largest market for India-made smartphones, overtaking the UAE. According to data from India's Commerce Ministry, smartphone exports to the Netherlands has surged 92% to $833 million between April and August, while exports to the UAE have dropped 25% to $777 million. This shift highlights the increasing demand for India's smartphone exports, especially in Europe. The US remains the largest market, with shipments growing 51% year-on-year. Japan and Mexico saw massive growth, with exports up 180% and 153% respectively. The growth in European markets such as Austria and Italy further underscores the expanding global reach of Indian-made smartphone, while the UAE's decline signals shifting regional trade dynamics. Now we have Inox India, which has been awarded a significant contract by Island Power Producers to design, engineer, and supply a mini LNG receiving regasification terminal in the Bahamas. The terminal, intended to power a 60 megawatt combined cycle plant providing shore power to cruise ship at the Nassau cruise port, will serve as a model for LNG distribution hubs in the region. With a storage capacity of 15,000 meter cube, it will feature the world's largest shop-built double-walled vacuum-installed LNG storage tank. Inox will supply 10 tanks, each with a capacity of 1,500 meter square. The project, with the largest of its kind in the region, reflects the growing adoption of LNG, particularly in remote locations. The terminal will also allow LNG reception via smaller ships and reloads in ISO containers to serve nearby users. Now, a recent report by VIP RE Security Group revealed that business email compromise scams accounted for 58% of phishing attempts in Q3 2024. BEC scam impersonated senior executive, including CEO and IT staff, highlighting the increasing sophistication of cybercriminal. The manufacturing sector saw a significant rise in BEC incidents driven by mobile sign-in at worksite. Cybercriminals also use subtle techniques such as disguised voicemail recording and security updates to bypass email defenses. Despite ransomware and malware attacks being less frequent, they continue to garner significant cybersecurity attention. The report underscores the growing threat of email-based cyber attacks and the need for organizations to enhance their security measures to combat evolving tactics. Now, iQOO is offering a significant discount on the iQOO 12 ahead of the release of iQOO 13, available for just $52,999, down from $59,999 on Amazon. The device is a powerful option for those seeking flagship performance at an affordable price. The iQOO 12 features like Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, 12GB RAM and 256GB storage alongside a stunning 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. The device also boasts a 50 plus 64 plus 50MP triple camera setup and a 16MP front camera for selfies. With additional discount including a 3,000 instant card discount and exchange offer, the iQOO 12 becomes even more accessible for those on a tighter budget. The phone is also available with EMI options starting at $4,159, making it an excellent deal for tech enthusiasts seeking high performance. Now at the Business Today Most Powerful Women 2024 event, Adobe India's Pratibha Mahapotra emphasized the transformative role of technology in business and women empowerment. She highlighted that in today's world, technology is central to business operation with nearly every industry integrating into their processes. Mahapotra also discussed how technological tools including AI have become essential enablers for women, allowing them to balance work and personal life more efficiently. She urged women to embrace new technologies to increase productivity and open up new opportunities. According to Mahapotra, technology is no longer just an enabler but a crucial driver of success, offering women the tools to thrive both professionally and personally. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, stay tuned to IT Voice.